Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about something that's really important when it comes to investing and making yourself financially secure, your personality. But before we get started, please like, subscribe and hit the bell button if you haven't already. Also, please check the links in the description below for anything we discussed. It really helps the channel out so that I can create more high quality content for you. With that said, let's proceed with the video. Every investment system doesn't fit everyone. You look at the sky-high prices of Bitcoin and Amazon and would want to be the person that invested in it before it hit big. But a lot of times people can get less confident in their picks when the price drops 25% or 50%. I know I did in the past. Worse, some people sell the stock and in a few years it rises much higher than when they sold it. For instance, let's look at Amazon. If you got in at around the peak in 2018 at $98.51, and it tanked 28.5% to $73.90, some people would sell thinking Amazon was over. But they would have missed all of this upside in the following years. And even now, since the sell-off in 2022 and 2023, I am sure a lot of people have sold even if their plan was to hold on to the stock forever. Why? Because their personality. Different individuals may be better suited for different types of investments based on their personality traits. For instance, those who can tolerate higher levels of risk and volatility may be more inclined towards growth stocks like Netflix, while others who prefer more stable returns may opt for blue-chip dividend king stocks like Coca-Cola. Similarly, individuals who prioritize safety of their investments may find treasury bonds or mutual funds to be a more suitable option. If you have a goal to be a millionaire but your personality fits more stable dividend blue-chip stocks, then your main focus shouldn't be on higher risk growth stocks. Look at Beyond Meat. It had a peak of almost $250 after its IPO and now it is in the $15 range. Some growth stocks win and some lose, just look at Apple. A few years ago it was at the equivalent of about $40 and now it's in the $160 range. I asked Chat GPT about different personality types and it actually gave me a personality system that I haven't heard of before. Most of us have heard of the Myers-Briggs type indicator. Chat GPT defined the Myers-Briggs as a system that categorizes people into 16 different personality types based on their preferences for things like introversion/extraversion, sensing/intuition, thinking/feeling, and judging/perceiving. But I haven't heard of the Big 5 personality traits. After learning the Big 5 personality traits system focuses on 5 broad dimensions of personality: openness, conscientiousness, extraversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. I felt that most of us could pick out at least one or two of these broad dimensions out of our own personality without doing a test. And it would be perfect to ask Chat GPT about which 5 broad dimensions of personality that could impact your investment decisions. But first, let's take a deeper look at each of these traits. Let us know in the comments below if Chat GPT nailed your investment philosophies or not. 1. Openness. It refers to a person's tendency to be open to new experiences, ideas, and ways of thinking. People who score high in openness are generally creative, curious, and open-minded. They are often interested in exploring new opportunities and seeking out unconventional ideas. They're often drawn to unconventional or innovative approaches to life. In the context of investing, people high in openness may be more likely to seek out unique or emerging opportunities, such as investing in new technologies or alternative investments like real estate or cryptocurrencies. 2. Conscientiousness. It refers to a person's tendency to be responsible, organized, and diligent. People who score high in conscientiousness are typically goal-oriented and dependable. They place a high value on planning and preparation, and they are often reliable and diligent in their work and personal life. In the context of investing, people high in conscientiousness may be more likely to favor lower risk, long-term investment strategies, such as ETFs or dividend blue-chip stocks. 3. Extraversion. People who score high in extraversion are often outgoing, confident, sociable, and enjoy spending time with others. They are often energetic, and enjoy trying new things and taking risks. In the context of investing, people high in extraversion may be more likely to be drawn to high-risk, high-reward opportunities, such as growth stocks or day trading. 4. Agreeableness. It refers to a person's tendency to be cooperative, empathetic, caring and considerate towards others. They are often good at working in teams, have strong communication skills and enjoy helping people. In the context of investing, people high in agreeableness may be more likely to favor socially responsible investments, such as impact investing or ESG, environmental, social and governance, funds. 5. Neuroticism. People high in neuroticism tend to be anxious, moody, and emotionally reactive. They may experience strong emotional reactions to uncertainty, and they may be more prone to negative thinking. People who score high in neuroticism are often sensitive to stress and may struggle with coping mechanisms. In the context of investing, people high in neuroticism may be more likely to prefer safer, stable investments such as bonds or conservative mutual funds. So now that we have a better understanding of each of these personality traits, let's dive deeper and talk about how they can impact your investment decisions. Let's start with openness. People who score high in openness may be more likely to take risks when it comes to investing, as they're drawn to unconventional or innovative opportunities. This can be a good thing if they're able to identify promising investment opportunities that others may have overlooked. Higher risk growth stocks, SPAC companies and other high risk high reward investments could be up their alley. However, it's important for people high in openness to also be aware of the potential risks involved in these types of investments and to have a solid understanding of the market. Moving on to conscientiousness, people who score high in this trait tend to be more risk-averse and may prefer safer, stable investments. This can be a good thing, as it can help protect their portfolio from significant losses with highly diverse securities such as dividend ETFs and real estate investment funds. However, it's also important for people high in conscientiousness to be aware of the potential downsides of playing it too safe. By avoiding risk, they may miss out on potential gains that could have been achieved through more aggressive investment strategies. On the other side, for people high in extraversion, it's important to be aware of the potential risks involved in high-risk, high-reward investments. While it can be tempting to take big risks in the hopes of big rewards, it's also important to be aware of the potential downsides and to have a solid understanding of the market. People high in extraversion may also benefit from taking a more social approach to investing, such as participating in investment clubs or attending networking events where they could discuss the latest new growth stock or more slower and stable investments such as real estate. This can help them stay connected to the market and learn from others. People high in agreeableness may be drawn to socially responsible investments, such as impact investing or environmental, social and governance mutual funds and ESG ETFs. This can be a great way to align their investment portfolio with their values and make a positive impact in the world. However, it's important for people high in agreeableness to also consider the potential financial returns of these types of investments and to make sure they align with their overall investment goals. Finally, people high in neuroticism may prefer safer, stable investments to help alleviate their anxiety around potential losses. Bonds, real estate, mutual funds, dividend investing with dividend kings and aristocrat stocks may be of interest to them. While this can be a good thing in terms of risk management, it's also important for people high in neuroticism to be aware of the potential downsides of avoiding risk altogether. By investing too conservatively, they may miss out on potential gains that could have been achieved through more aggressive investment strategies. So, what can we learn from all of this? First, it's important to be aware of your own personality traits and how they may impact your investment decisions. By understanding your own tendencies, you can make more informed decisions that align with your goals and risk tolerance. It may help or hurt you in your quest of millionaire status when we are in a strong bull market or bear market. Second, it's important to remember that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to investing. Investing is a complex and nuanced topic, and there are many factors to consider. While certain investment strategies may be more appropriate for people with certain personality traits, it's ultimately up to each individual to determine what works best for them. But by being aware of your own tendencies and biases, you can make more informed decisions and achieve greater success in the market. So, there are the big 5 personality traits and how they can impact your investment decisions from Chat GPT. I hope you found this video entertaining and learned something new. If so, kindly click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to tell your friends about the video too. Remember to let us know in the comments below if Chat GPT nailed your investment philosophies or not. As always, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, why don't you check out the video series we made on dividend investing that can be beneficial to all personality types.